Hello, Emma here to talk about ecological and lower chemical products to use in the household for cleaning, for example. So recently I've discovered that there are cleaning sheets. So for example, the laundry detergent sheets. And what they are is little sheets with the washing detergent impregnated onto it. You can break them in half if it's a really small load, or you're just doing like a bucket full for hand cleaning, or you can put 1 or 2 full sheets in the washing machine. So these are fragrance free and naturally derived. You can get a lot of these even in supermarkets these days, and I tend to go and get them when they're on sale. I also found one that has the sheets in the toilet bowl cleaner. So pretty much you just take a sheet out and pop it in your toilet bowl and let it dissolve. And the results are pretty good. And they're not chemically, they're naturally based as well, and this one's a lemon flavour. I've also got the fabric softener sheets. So this is in the same brand, and it's a lavender one. Same thing, pretty much a sheet is in there, impregnated with the fabric softener, and you put it in as you normally would put it in the washing machine. And there's also the floor cleaner sheets. So again, much the same. Pretty much you put a sheet in your mop bucket with water, and then swish it around and it will foam up, and then you can use it. I think it says to clean a whole floor or something. 1 sheet equals 1 clean floor. And a lot of people may have also discovered the cleaning tablets. So essentially they're a little tablet. You keep your squirt bottle from a previous one, or purchase a squirt bottle and pop the tablet in, again with water. This is the glass cleaner, and it says each tablet makes 300 mils. So this is what it comes like. It comes in a little sachet, and there's 8 tablets in this one. So one tablet in this sachet will do a 300 ml bottle that you can reuse. It also comes in a multi-purpose and a washing machine cleaner. And again, essentially with the washing machine cleaner, you just throw it in your washing machine empty, and then do the normal wash cycle without doing the clothes, and it'll clean out your washing machine. I also have become accustomed to bamboo paper towel replacement. So this is a fabric bamboo sheet. They can be torn off, and then you can use it to do as you would normally use a paper towel, for cleaning, wiping, whatever. And then you can rinse it and reuse it, or if it's getting quite dirty or you want to make it hygienic again, you can throw them in the washing machine and reuse them many times, rather than just throwing out and discarding your paper towels. Bamboo comes in a lot of things these days, like tissues and toilet tissues, as well as things like toothbrush handles and combs and brushes and so forth, and it's quite sustainable. So there's a introduction to some of the ecological and chemical free cleaning products that I've been using lately. I hope you can incorporate some of them into your home. So check out your local $2 shops, can be a good place to get them quite cheap. These ones were actually $2, whereas normally you'd pay $5 to $10. They're only a small packet, so they got 12 sheets, but still for $2 compared to purchasing bottles of stuff. And of course the boxes are wholly recyclable. So enjoy your healthy home cleaning with natural ecological products. Goodbye. Have a nice day.